Hi friends, I am Raj from Sydney. In this video, I am going to talk about tie down rings. This is the tie down rings, Strachit strap or tie down strap. If you like to carry the boxes like this or fuel can or anything else, even the bags, if you, in the roof rack bags, cargo bags, if you want to carry, you can use them. Just slide through these tie down nuts. It's not that difficult. And the slide, what do you do using this hole, just slide through this tie down rings. I'll show you one. So this one, just put this nut through here and then slide it here, and then this is eye nut ring. So you can move this anywhere, wherever you like. You want here, you want there, or you want at the end. It's up to you. Wherever you want, you can move it. This one, that's the benefit of this one. And then make sure that it's tight. Okay, now this Strachit strap or tie down strap available in few different sizes. So you choose the size. This one is a small one, this one, the black one, is the larger one, the long one. So it depends on you for what purpose you need, you choose. Okay, I'm going to show you the first one because I'm using only one hand. So what do you do? This one goes here. So this one goes here, and the box I'm going to carry come here in the middle, and this one here, you can loosen or tighten the length here. When you tie down, make sure that this is not flipped, the strap is not flipped like this. So it should be straight, and then you pull this strap, it's going to be tight now. So it's secured. So because this is bit moving plastic one, so the other one I'm going to put like this, from here to here, in this way. So it's going to be like that. It's going to be like that. Or you can do this way, one like this and the other one like this. So two straps is going to hold the box bags. So this is tight now. Okay, it's very tight. When you want to remove, just pull this strap up. It's easy. That's it. It's done. So you can take the box out now like that. You can slide through, out or in. So this one, the excess part, you can just roll up. Just you roll up, and at the end there's a Velcro that's going to stick together. So now I rolled up. So it's not going to flip when you drive. So now this box is very secure. You know, it's not moving, but the reason is it's a plastic. So it's the bottom of the box is like a plastic and doesn't have the grip. So that's why we have this plastic, the rubber bead. So if you have this one, make sure that the rubber bead is underneath here, so the box doesn't move. You get more grip. So they also it also available, and just put it on the bottom of here, and here's just slide through. Same way you can slide from here. It's easy. Okay, it's going to be like that. Okay, I just show you one piece, small piece. So it just slide through here. I don't want to waste any single piece because it's useful anytime for me. Yeah, like that. So it's very secured now. So either I can the cross or the straight.